Hello designer, is your girl Variable Fashion School, and today we'll be making an asymmetric bishop sleeve. So you get your straight shape sleeve and come down from your elbow length by about 2 to 3 inches or more, depending on how long you want it to be. Then you rule across that line like you can see me do, okay? Then afterwards, you go ahead and divide that line into 4, and then you'll be taking away 3/4 of that line division that you did. Such that 1/4 of that line is on the front side of your sleeve, and you connect the remaining 3/4 line to the tip of the crown of your sleeve, just like so, and draw slash lines like so. Okay, then you cut like you can see me do, okay, and then you cut towards the crown of your sleeve and cut to the tip of the remaining slash line that you drew earlier. Then take a fresh paper and place your pattern on it to spread each leg of these slash lines that you just created. Okay, make sure that the slash spread are even so that you can have equal volume on every side of the legs of your pattern. Okay, then afterward, you take your pen or pencil and blend the hem of your sleeve depending on how voluminous you want it, or you can even go down at the center of that line by the amount of volume that you want on your sleeve. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 options in this video depending on how you want it. Just blend it and be sure that you're okay with it. Then you can go ahead and blend the crown of the sleeve and as well cut out the whole sleeve pattern from the paper. Okay, so afterwards you can transfer to your fabric and add necessary seam allowance. Okay, and for that part that you slash, we are going to pleat it back to the sleeve downwards. Okay, you are going to pleat it back to the down part of your sleeve to give you that your bishop pop sleeve effect. And that is that about the class. I hope you found this class helpful. Kindly like and follow for more.